Okay, page 5 of your review for Unit 9. This should go fairly quickly because we're just plugging information into equations. So we're talking about a circle. Okay, the standard equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So we just plug that in. X minus 2 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equal to 4 squared. You can leave it like that, or if you want to write it out with the 16, that's fine. Or we've got x plus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 1 over 5 squared. Okay, so I'll write it out one more step. X minus 2 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 16. X plus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to 1 over 25. Okay, that's 9 and 10. Okay, parabolas. Parabolas are a little bit more difficult because there's more things involving it. So first thing we need to do is we need to write down what the equations are. Okay, so we're either y minus k is equal to 1 over 4p times x minus h squared, or where x minus h is equal to 1 over 4p times y minus k squared. Okay, so remember these either go up or down, while this either goes left or right. That's dictated whether p is positive or if p is negative. This one's p is negative, this one's p is positive. Okay, so let's look at this. Easiest thing to do is just graph it, just a little short, quick sketch. Okay, 2 zeros here, that's your focus. 2, 2 is here, that's your vertex. Okay, so it always opens in the direction of the focus, so it opens down. So which formula are we using? It opens down. So we're using y minus k is equal to 1 over 4p times x minus h squared. So I have hk. I need p. What's p? P is the distance from here to here. That's p. So p is equal to negative 2. So we plug that in. Y minus 2 is equal to 1 over 4 times negative 2 times x minus 2 squared, and simplify. Y minus 2 is equal to 1 or negative 1/8 times x minus 2 squared. Done. That's that one. That's all you got to do for it. Don't have to do anything else. So that is our answer. Alright, over here, do the same thing. Okay, let's do a quick sketch. Quick sketch. We've got a vertex at 3, negative 1. 1, 2, 3, negative 1. Okay, there's our vertex. We've got a directrix that x is equal to negative 1. X is equal to negative 1 is right here. Okay, that's your directrix. Okay, so I know my vertex is halfway between my directrix and my focus. So there's my focus. So there's P, which is equal to 4. Okay, so it opens which way? It opens towards the focus. So it opens that way, so that narrows down which equation we're using. It opens to the right. Okay, so that's x minus h is equal to 1 over 4p times y minus k squared. And h, k, and p I found over here is 4. P is equal to 4. So x minus 3 is equal to 1 over 4 times 4 times y plus 1 squared, or x minus 3 is equal to 1 over 16 times y plus 1 squared. That's your answer for that one. Okay, there's 11 and 12. Okay, 13 and 14 are ellipses. So ellipses only follow one form. Okay, x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. And if I know I have the x and y intercepts, that means for these, this x-intercepts are a, y-intercepts are b. So That makes it x squared over 4 squared plus y squared over 3 squared equals 1, or x squared over 16 plus y squared over 9 is equal to 1. That's the answer to that one. Okay, same thing here. It says I know it's centered at 0, 0. That's A. That's B. Okay, so A squared is equal to the square root of 5 squared, which is 5. B squared is equal to 3 root 2 squared, which is 18. 3 squared times root 2 squared. 3 squared times root 2 squared. So 9 times 2. Okay, and it follows in the same form. X squared over 5 plus y squared over b squared 18 is equal to 1. There's your answer. Okay, so that's it for page 5. We'll move on to page 6 next.